We boarded the Avalon Panorama in Basel, and it is headed toward Amsterdam on our cruise.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're
JK Cruising. The ship is absolutely stunning, and even more so with the Christmas decorations. A beautiful Christmas tree greets you in the foyer. From there, we are headed into the meeting area. As you're cruising along the Rhine River, they will use this room to give lectures about what you're passing, the sceneries, the castles, the history, and everything. They also use it for talks every night, in which they will tell you the next day's schedule before dinner time. Right down the stairs is the dining room, and they have tables arranged for large groups, tables arranged for 2 people, any size table. They do not have a pool like the ocean cruise ships, but they do have a hot tub, chess game, some lounge chairs, and they even have a grill where during the summer the chef will grill one of your meals. In the back of the ship is another meeting area. Now this one was much smaller, much more quaint. There were games, there were books, tables to play at, and there was always snacks available along with tea, coffee, and hot cocoa. There is even a fitness center on board. The ship is much smaller than an ocean cruise line. They only offer an excursion or two at every stop. But I have to say, we came off of this cruise feeling like relaxed and like we had been on vacation. This ship's crew know how to take pampering a guest to the next level. We never wanted for anything. They were right on top of everything. And the food on this ship was far better than anything I have ever experienced on a cruise ship. We hope you enjoyed the video.